And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 139. Let me show the Reshape tool. I'll create a simple line and let me make that a little bit thicker, but 10 points should be enough. Reshape tool can be found where the scale tool is. A shortcut for that is S, so if you can't find it, press S and then right click on this toolbox. There you should find the Reshape tool, and you can hover over this line and just left click drag. And it's going to create another anchor point, and you can drag that around to create a curve. So if you wanted to create an S, this would be it. You can also left click drag on start and end point, but it's sometimes a little bit harder to select. You can see that here. The easier way to drag that around would be the direct selection tool. But in principle it works. Let me try again. And that still wasn't perfect. And now I finally had it. But this behavior of the Reshape tool only works on open shapes. If I create, for example, a rectangle, let me flip the colors here and I use it again. I hover over the line, the cursor changes, which indicates that I can do something with it. Then I left click drag and we don't have a curve. I just drag the entire rectangle around. Let me do it again on the left hand side. But what it does, it creates a new anchor point. And if we select an anchor point, let me specifically select that one. We can now drag it with the Reshape tool to make a curve. And this goes for all lines now. So if you select the entire shape and you use the Reshaper tool, you can only drag the shape around. But if you select a single anchor point of your shape, you can use the Reshaper tool to drag around all of these lines and create these curves. Show that again on a star, but let me delete this here first. I press Ctrl A, delete all, and now I create the star. Use the Reshape tool. Once more, I can drag these anchor points around. On lines, I can left click drag, which will also create an anchor point. I select the top anchor point here, use the Reshaper at the bottom, and we can directly create curves out of these lines. So once more, if the entire shape is selected, you can only drag it around and create anchor points. But if a single anchor point is selected, you can adjust these lines and give them, for example, curves. Just to give you one interesting use case, let me check. Right here is the spiral. And a spiral is an open shape, so it's not closed, as you can see. Let me give that a stroke color and I increase it yet again to 10 points. I use the Reshape tool and now I can drag start and end point around and transform this spiral in interesting ways. You can even make overlaps with it like this. So if you're in need of more abstract spirals, this is actually the tool to use. It gives you the results pretty quickly and easily. In general, the tool reminds me a little bit of the tool in Inkscape that you can use to transform lines. Here and there it's certainly useful, but it's not one of these major tools that you definitely need to know. Still, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.